So there is a massive update for Dogecoin coming right from Robinhood, and I think Dogecoin holders need to be ready after this huge update. So it appears that the upcoming Robinhood wallet programs have started to gain massive traction, and we are now seeing that millions of crypto traders are eagerly waiting to join this most anticipated wallet program. So as per Robinhood COO Christine Brown, the waiting list for Robinhood that can be used to store, buy and sell Dogecoin has swelled to over 2 million. And I think that this revelation of the upsurge in interest in the crypto wallets is going to be very, very positive for Dogecoin and other listed cryptos. So we know that the beta wallet has been rolled out to 13,000 customers, which also beats the company's previous estimates. And the Robinhood executive acknowledged in a separate tweet that customers want the trading platform to roll through the waitlist quickly. But she said that Robinhood must review data to manage fraud risk and protect customers as moving on chain presents new risks. Moreover, she said that Robinhood's goal has always been to make it easy and accessible for millions of everyday people to become long-term crypto enthusiasts. And ensuring their safe passage on chain is an important part of that goal. All in all, we are now seeing the massive interest of people for this upcoming Robinhood wallet program. And once it rolls out, we will be seeing millions of people joining it, giving a massive boost to Doge and others. And this is not it. And this wallet program by Robinhood will be available for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum holders. And this is more positive news for Dogecoin because many of Robinhood's traders favor Dogecoin as their coin of choice. And the most important thing is that until now, those who trade cryptos such as Bitcoin and Dogecoin via the Robinhood app have been limited to buying and selling. However, with the new functionality, wallet holders will be able to buy, say, Dogecoin on Robinhood and transfer it to another wallet. So they can swap assets on decentralized exchanges or engage in any number of decentralized finance applications. And for this reason, Robinhood has stated the new feature will fully connect Robinhood crypto holders to the greater blockchain ecosystem for the very first time. And as I shared this news before, we know that Elon Musk also believes that this wallet feature from Robinhood is very important and beneficial for Dogecoin. And this is why he liked this tweet from Billy Marcus, and he has obviously appreciated this amazing feature of Dogecoin. And I think that Musk believes that Robinhood wallets will be a huge deal for Dogecoin since Dogecoin will no longer be viewed as simply a speculative investment by the users of Robinhood. And another very important thing to note here is that this wallet feature makes Dogecoin truly decentralized crypto. And a more positive thing for Dogecoin is that Robinhood has also announced that it is going to expand its crypto offerings. And the firm has revealed that it has set some aggressive goals to start opening its crypto platform up to customers internationally in 2022. And it believes that there is immense potential in the crypto economy. So there is a big opportunity for Robinhood in serving customers across the globe. And the thing to note here is that Robinhood has generated some positive revenue back in 2021, and most of it came from cryptos, especially Dogecoin. And this is exactly why Robinhood is now planning to offer some additional crypto services. And the best thing is that Robinhood is planning to offer crypto services around the globe. And if this happens, then millions of customers from around the globe will be able to come to the cryptos market. And the important point to note here is that Dogecoin was the most traded crypto on Robinhood. And Robinhood had revealed that its 62% of crypto revenue came from Dogecoin in the second quarter of 2021. And as 2021 has now concluded, Robinhood's percentage of total revenue derived from crypto trading, specifically from Dogecoin, also jumped in the third and fourth quarters. So as Robinhood's major chunk of revenue comes from the trading of Dogecoin, it means that if Robinhood is going to launch its services internationally, then more users will start trading Doge. All in all, Robinhood's upcoming wallet programs and its entry into the international markets are going to favor Dogecoin and its holders. And the best thing is that Robinhood is giving Dogecoin much more importance than other cryptos. This is because we know that Dogecoin is not only the most traded crypto on Robinhood, it also has the lowest transaction fee. So this will not only increase the transactions and utility of Dogecoin, it will also help Robinhood generate some revenue. And as I said, once this wallet program from Robinhood rolls out, millions of traders will come to Dogecoin. And this is exactly why I think that Robinhood can take Dogecoin to the moon in the coming months. In any case, I'd like to remind you here that this is no financial advice since I'm not a professional financial advisor. I'm just expressing my opinion here, so it is recommended that you do your own research before investing in cryptos. And now let's see what is happening with Dogecoin. So we can see here that Doge has managed to hold its support level. And the key thing to note here is that Dogecoin has been refusing to go below this price level. And this is because I think that bulls are trying to get Doge out of this consolidation phase. And this is why I think that Dogecoin is now showing some support around this region. And now, since we have just seen how investors are eagerly waiting for Robinhood wallets for Dogecoin, I think this positive news will help Doge over the long term. And I know that you are wondering that we have been seeing all these positive updates for Doge every now and then, but its price is still not moving up. And I know this is a bothersome thing for you. But the thing is that all these positive updates are actually bullish for Doge. However, this doesn't mean that Dogecoin is going to surge right away. I think we have to wait for some time and see Doge showing some positive momentum in the long term. And now, there is another very important update for Dogecoin that I think everyone should see. But I'll come to it later. Let's first come to Bitcoin for a minute. So we can see here that Bitcoin has successfully breached this resistance level during the last 24 hours. And it is now showing some strength around here. Although it is currently not showing any further momentum to the upside, I think it will move up in the coming week. This is because there are a lot of bullish catalysts for it that can drive its price to the upside. So since Bitcoin has managed to move up, it appears that the upside momentum is improving after its technical indicators reached the most oversold levels since March 2020. But an important thing to note here is that over the past few months, brief rallies have been capped below resistance levels, which means sellers have been in control. However, it is now highly likely that Bitcoin could see additional upside in the coming trading sessions. This is because the relative strength index of Bitcoin is not overbought on the daily chart. So this means that the next level of resistance for Bitcoin is around 45K, and if Bitcoin manages to go past it in the coming week, then it will strengthen the current rally. And as per popular crypto analyst Justin Bennett, Bitcoin could surge by up to 40% if it manages to break above the 42K price level. He said that he is believing in the idea of a significant bounce here for Bitcoin over the coming weeks. And he thinks that this bounce has taken longer than he thought it would, but sometimes that's the way it goes. So as Bitcoin is now threatening to breach resistance at 42K, I also think that a strong relief rally is on the horizon for it. Meanwhile, Bloomberg senior commodity strategist Mike McGlone thinks that broader macroeconomic factors could shine favorably on both Bitcoin and Ethereum despite their rocky start to 2022. Mike McGlone believes that the U.S. midterm elections in November plus rumblings of a potential war in Eastern Europe indicate that the top cryptos could have a relative advantage over other investment classes. McGlone also thinks that domestic policy decisions regarding the crypto space will also prove beneficial for cryptos in the months ahead. So it appears that the latter part of 2022 is going to be very promising for cryptos, especially Bitcoin. And while everything is looking very good for Bitcoin, I'm getting more bullish on Dogecoin. This is because we have just seen some massive bullish indicators for Bitcoin. And as I have highlighted before, they are equally bullish for Doge thanks to its high correlation with Bitcoin. So the point is that things are now nicely shaping up for both Bitcoin and Doge. And now, as promised, let's come to another massive update for Dogecoin. So we are now seeing that several U.S. lawmakers have introduced the Virtual Currency Tax Fairness Act to strengthen the legitimacy of cryptos in the American digital economy. The bill would create a workable structure for taxing purchases made with cryptos, and it will also expand the use of cryptos for payments. Moreover, the Virtual Currency Tax Fairness Act would exempt personal transactions made with cryptos when the gains are $200 or less. All in all, this bill will make it easy for crypto holders to use their coins for making payments, and it will also encourage more and more businesses to accept crypto payments. And I think that it is more positive for Dogecoin because a majority of users and businesses will be preferring Doge for payments purposes. This is because we know that Doge has the lowest transaction fee, and it is the most suitable currency for making payments. And this is exactly why I think that Dogecoin's adoption is going to boom in 2022 and the coming years.